Hi, this is Kim from Reality Travel, Suitcase Traveler on YouTube. I'm coming to you from Melbourne, Australia, and I'm down in Federation Square. This is really one of the best places to hang out here in Federation Square. Some of these pictures I already have on a previous video, but then there's some that I have not got, and it's a really nice, like I said, hangout area. And I'm going to try to zoom in. Last time I took pictures of this place, I had my iPad. I didn't have the opportunity to zoom in to some of these places, but now I have that opportunity to zoom in some of these buildings. And I'm not going to be in this area too much because, like I said, I did get a chance to try to keep a steady hand sometimes. Birds really sound crazy. Oh, no wonder. Guy is feeding them. He's actually sitting there feeding them. Okay, so I'm kind of going to walk down on Flinders Street. The name of the street I'm going to be walking on is Flinders. I remember in one of the other videos I called it Finder Street, and of course I'll have to change that. That's kind of funny. I'll definitely change it on the video. Lots of I like that sign there that says, "Let's fully welcome refugees." I like that. I try not to get people. Oh, they got guys over there. And you got this guy here that's passing out something for, I guess, a restaurant. Oh, it says, "Are you game?" Okay. I gotta get away from the music because I can't post my post on YouTube with someone else's music because all music is copywritten. Get a lot of school children down here. All right, so we're gonna go down Flinders Street. I see a sign there that says tour buses. It's really happening. That's the train station there. There's always a lot happening down here. I really love it. I really, 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 really love it here in Melbourne, in Australia. I think I'm supposed to be here. Let's get a closer look at that sign now. Yeah. I was in one country once that says, "We don't put up walls at our borders. We put a bridge." I thought that was so cool. I'm trying to zoom out to get as much of the beauty as I possibly can. Get all this. Well, not really. Can you believe there's graffiti up there? Probably not graffiti, probably somebody just wrote on the building, but kind of look at all writing on buildings as graffiti. There's an interesting building up here, the blue on it. See if I can zoom into that. That's pretty nice. This building is called Wonderland.
You're just saying that.
Sun is down, hidden by, I like the artwork here. Love the architecture as well. It's just really beautiful buildings here. Alice in Wonderland. Australian Center for Moving the Image. ACMI. Very interesting. Storytellers. Melbourne City Sanctuary, home of Australian art. Storytellers. Once again, this is Kim from Reality Travel coming to you from Melbourne, Australia. Glad that I have my camera because I can zoom in some of these areas. I mean, don't get me wrong, my iPad takes really, really nice pictures and videos. But a lot of them I don't like when I post them on YouTube. They're very, very poor quality. So this is a new camera because I had broken my other one. We're gonna see how this one works. I like that tram, as they call them, trams here. Get a closer look. It's really old-fashioned, but I like it. Okay, this is Kim from Reality Travel out. Get to a different area, take more pictures. Melbourne, Australia. Bye.